Hello students. In previous we studied about the parallelogram, types of parallelogram, and in which we studied about some properties of parallelogram, especially what are the properties or what are the conditions or what are the criterias are there for a parallelogram. Today we will start exercise 8.1 and question number 1 is the angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:5:9:13. Find all the angles of the quadrilaterals. So as we know that if there are some ratios of angles or any parts, we will consider let all angles of quadrilaterals are, because it's given is 3:5:9:13, we will consider it as 3x, 5x, 9x, 13x. Sum of angles of a quadrilateral. We studied that the sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is equals to 360. That means 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 13x equals to 360. If we solve 5, 3, 8, 8 and 9, 17 plus 13, 30x equals to 360. X is equals to 360 upon 30, that is 12. So angles are 3 into 12, 36, 5 into 12, 60, 9 into 12, 108, and 13 into 12, 156. That is the answer of question number 1. Question number 2. If the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. As we know that if there is any rectangle, then their diagonals are equal. We have to prove that ABCD is a parallelogram if the diagonal AC and diagonal BD are equal, then ABCD is a rectangle. To prove it is a rectangle, we have to prove that the angles, each interior angle are 90 degree. अब इसको 90 डिग्री प्रूव करने के लिए करें कैसे, इसको सॉल्व कैसे करें? सबसे पहले हम गिवन पार्ट लिखते हैं सॉल्यूशन में. गिवन आर ABCD इज ए parallelogram. It's given. That means all the properties of parallelogram will apply in this question. Like opposite sides are equal and parallel, and their interior angles, adjacent interior angles, sum of adjacent interior angle equals to 180. Opposite angles are equal. अब इसमें एक और कंडीशन गिवन है, AC is equals to BD, diagonals are equal. We have to prove that ABCD is a rectangle. To prove that it is a rectangle, we have to prove that each interior angle is equals to 90 degree. Proof or solution. Take two triangles triangle ABD and triangle ABC. ABD, this triangle, and we will consider ACB or ABC, this triangle. In these two triangles, AB equals to AB because of common side. AC is equals to BD because of given part, and BC is equals to AD because of opposite side of parallelogram. Three sides are equal. That means by SSS rule, these two triangle, the name of triangle must be in order. Now AB is equals to AB, no problem. AC is equals to BD. BC is equals to AD. So if I write here ABC, then the congruent part of ABC, BC is equals to AD and AC is equals to BD. That means we will consider here BAD. Now if we took BC, it's equals to AD, BC equals to AD. If I took AB equals to BA, AB equals to AB or BA, same part. And if I took AC, it's equals to BD, AC equals to BD. हमें उस ऑर्डर में लेना होता है ताकि हम जब उसको डिफाइन करें आगे, जब बाय यूजिंग CPCT करें कॉन्ग्रुएंट पार्ट्स ऑफ कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट्स ऑफ कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्राइंगल्स, तो उसमें इसका यूज़ किया जा सके, उसको हम डायरेक्ट डिफाइन कर सकें कि कौन से एंगल्स इक्वल हैं या कौन सी साइड्स इक्वल हैं. नाउ दीज टू ट्राइंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. इफ दीज टू ट्राइंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट, that means angle ABC is equals to angle BAD. ABC, this angle, BAD, this angle, these two angles are equal. But angle ABC plus angle BAD equals to 180, adjacent angle of parallelogram. If these are adjacent angles of parallelogram, that means their sum is equals to 180. If their sum is equals to 180, but upper part we are writing that these two are equal, that means two angle ABC equals to 180, angle ABC is equals to 90. That shows that angle BAD is also equals to 90. It's 90, it's 90. That is opposite angle, that is equals to 90, that is also opposite angle, that means this is also 190 degree. All the angles of parallelogram are 90 degree and diagonals are equal. If all the angles, interior angles, each angle of parallelogram are 90 degree, that means it's a rectangle. Hence ABCD is a rectangle because each interior angle is equals to 90 degree. Question number 3, it's given that show that if the diagonals of a quadrilaterals bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. So in this part it's given that a quadrilateral ABCD, their diagonals AC and BD bisect each other. That means these are divided in two equal parts. That means OD and OB are equal, OA and OC are equal at right angle. Right angle means the angle between these two diagonals are 90 degree. Then we have to prove that this quadrilateral is a rhombus. Rhombus means if all the sides are equal in any quadrilateral, then it is a rhombus. We have to prove that all the sides of these quadrilaterals are equal. So first of all, given part for solution, it's given that ABCD is a quadrilateral AC bisect BD, or OA is equals to OC, OB equals to OD, it's given, and angle AOB equals to angle BOC equals to angle COD equals to angle AOD equals to 90 degree. It's given. To prove, we have to prove that ABCD is a rhombus. To prove that it is a rhombus, first of all, we will take triangle AOB and triangle BOC. Under these two triangles, OA equals to OC, OB equals to OB because of common side, and angle AOB equals to angle BOC, that is equals to 90 degree. In these two triangles, first and second triangle, these two sides are equal, this is a common side, and angle between them are also equal. That means by SAS property, SAS rule, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle BOC, and if these two are congruent, then by CPCT we can say that AB equals to BC. Similarly, we can prove that these second and third triangle are also congruent. That means triangle BOC is also congruent to triangle COD. Similar case, OC is the common side, these two are equal, and angle between them are also equal. So as by SAS property or SAS rule, again we can write that these two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, then BC is equals to CD. Similarly, triangle third and fourth also we can prove that these two are equal, congruent. And in triangle COD is congruent to triangle AOD. That means CD is equals to AD. Firstly, we prove that AB is equals to BC. Second part, BC is equals to CD. Third part, CD is equals to AD. That means all the four sides are equal in the quadrilateral. That means ABCD is a rhombus. That is our question number 3 in exercise 8.1. Further, we will complete in next class. Thank you for today.